In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare salaries on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull reliable compensation insights and make smarter career decisions. Start by heading to the Glassdoor Salaries page. Type in your job title and select the specific location you're considering. Location matters a lot because market rates vary by city and region, so be as precise as possible. You'll see real-time market data based on user submissions, which gives you a quick baseline for what people in similar roles are reporting. Next, refine what you're seeing with filters. Narrow results by company size, years of experience, and industry. Keeping these filters consistent helps you compare apples to apples. For example, compensation at a large tech company can look very different from a mid-size agency, even for the same title. If your background spans different industries, run separate filtered views to see how pay shifts. Now, don't stop at base salary. Analyze total pay. Look for the full compensation picture, which often includes bonuses, commissions, and profit sharing. Many entries break this out, and user-submitted reviews can add context around how variable pay is actually paid out. Benefits and equity can also be significant, so mentally factor those in when you're weighing offers. Around this point, if you want to follow along, I've placed the Glassdoor link at the very top of the description so you can jump straight to the site and mirror these steps in real time. For a personalized estimate, use Glassdoor's Know Your Worth tool. Enter your company, title, and years of experience to get a tailored market value range. Treat this as a directional guide, not a guarantee. If the range feels off, double-check your inputs and ensure the role and location match what you searched earlier. Finally, compare company profiles. Open the Pay and Benefits tab on the employers you're considering and stack them side by side. This is where you can see how compensation, benefits, and employee sentiment differ. If two offers look similar on base pay, this view can show whether one company stands out on bonus potential or benefits that matter to you. A few important considerations as you decide. Glassdoor data is self-reported and not always verified. It tends to be more accurate for larger companies with many submissions. Always look at total compensation, not just base pay, because bonuses, equity, and benefits can vary widely. And remember, salary is just one factor. Browse reviews for culture, growth opportunities, and work-life balance to get the full picture. That's it. If this helped you compare offers with confidence, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.